Ever had an issue where you have white stains that have come onto unpainted plastic because of your polish? So what you do is use a simple white eraser that you get. I've stolen this out of my kids' pencil case. Just get it in there tight into the corners. Simple rag. Got more of it. You can see a little bit more there. So let's get it. Let's go right in. And then get yourself a clean black plastic. That simple. Here's another massive one. You can clearly see it's a lot over. Here's a massive one. Here's a massive one. Clearly, I've gone over to the unpainted part. Let's get closer to the edge. Clean as needed. A little bit more to go. Not a lot of effort required. I'm a bit of a perfectionist. And there you have it.